Assalamualaikum students, hope you are fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to solve exercise of unit number 12, the king keeps his appointment. Today we will discuss the question answers of this lesson. Come to page number 133 of your books. Let's move towards exercise A, comprehension. Answer the following questions. The first question is, who was Sir Anthony Hawkins? He was an English novelist. Second question is, how does Sapt wake Rudolph up? To know its answer, come to page number 128. Read this line. Suddenly I woke with a start and a shiver. My face, hair and clothes dripped water. So we knew that Sapt wakes Rudolph by throwing water on him. Next question is, what time of day is it when Rudolph wakes up? Its answer is here on page number 128, that is 5 o'clock. Next question is, what is wrong with the prince? Its answer is on page number 130. We will find its answer here when Sapt says, do you think the king was poisoned? So maybe the king has been given poison. The next question is, what plan do the men make, and does Rudolph need to do to make it work? As we have read the story, so we know the answer that men plan that Rudolph will go for the coronation and he will shave his beard. The next question is, what will happen if the prince misses the coronation? Its answer is on page number 130. Its answer is here that if the prince misses the coronation, Black Michael will sit tonight on the throne. He will become the king of the country. The last question of this part is, what will happen to Rudolph, Sapt and Fritz if Black Michael finds out what they have done? Of course, they will be killed if he finds out what they were doing. The next question is, what problems might Rudolph come across at the coronation? Try to think about its answer, that what problems he may face at that time. And the next is, why does Rudolph agree to pretend to be the king? Try to come up with at least 2 answers. Use your imagination to give its answer, that why he was agreed to pretend to be a king. Maybe he wanted to save the country from evil hands, or he wanted to become the king. These can be the reasons. You can think your own reasons. Number 2, answer the following questions with reference to context. The first extract from the passage is, if we are detected, I'll fight Black Michael to the death. Sit in that chair, man. The first question related to it is, who says this? The answer is Sapt. Next question is, who is he talking to? Its answer is Rudolph. Third question is, why does he say that he will fight Black Michael to the death? Its answer is, Black Michael is not perfect to become the king. Sapt is loyal to the prince and will do anything to help him become king. Next line from the text is, thank goodness he shaved his beard, he exclaimed. The first question is, who says this? The answer is Sapt. Question number 2 is, who is he talking about? He is talking about the prince. The third question is, what does this reveal about the king's appearance now and in the past? Its answer is, it reveals that the prince had shaved recently. If the prince had kept his beard, then it would be harder for Rudolph to look like him. Now write these question answers and learn them, and we will solve the next exercise tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.